Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today. I promised that I was going through all my emails, and I'm trying to do videos answering people questions. I'm noticing a lot of my emails, people are asking me and speaking on having high credit card utilization. How can they hide their credit card utilization? How can they get rid of their credit card utilization? What's the best method to get out the hole that they're in? You know, today, especially that it's holidays, people have their credit card utilization not only at 30%, some people are showing me, sending me screenshots, 70, 80, 90, and even 100%, which is outrageous and ridiculous. Because all it's gonna do is tank your credit score, right? When it's time to go out there and get more money for another bank, another credit union, another lender, you're gonna have a lot of issues. Why? That credit utilization is so high. So now I notice people are asking me, what would I do in the position that they are in today? I went through, probably on this topic, I went through about 20 different emails dating back 4 or 5 months on the same situation with credit utilization. Now, if I was in your position and I didn't have my business funded, my business side, where I could go get some business credit cards, some business lines of credit, a business loan, anything, right? And I'm only focused on my personal credit. Well, the first thing I will do is fix my personal credit score, which you can go get your free ebook on my website, download it, fix it today. It's no excuse, especially if you're rocking with my channel, right? Got all the collection removal letters, charge off, late payments, check systems, whatever you want is in that ebook. Is no excuse, right? Fix that credit score, get it up to at least a 700 credit score, right? In the ebook, I'm showing you different primaries you can add on, simple, easy, and that could boost your credit score. And I'm not talking about trade line, supply, or boost credit 101, right? I'm telling you solid primary accounts you can add on and increase your credit score instantly in 30 days, right? Once you get that credit score up, right, even if that your utilization on your credit cards are high, you could go to a place that I built a great relationship with in the last 18 months. And it's Genius Bank. If you don't know about Genius Bank, they've been around for some years, but they're known for their high yield savings account. But recently, in the past 2 years, they started with giving personal loans, right? But the only way you could even apply for Genius personal loan, which goes up to $50,000, you will have to go through Prosper. Now you will apply to get, you could do a pre-approval with Prosper. Everybody know that. I did full breakdowns on videos of that years ago. At that point, if they can't approve you, they will send you other offers from other lenders. Now with Prosper, they have 4 other lenders that they partners with, which will give you all their different offers. So let's say Prosper offered you $20,000, but the interest rate is like 15%, right? Now you could go down to Genius. Genius might give you $20,000, but with only 11%, 10%, 9%. It will be always different, right? But once you get into Genius Bank and apply and get a personal loan with them, you can always go back and use them. For instance, when I first applied for them, like I said, about 18 months ago, they approved me for $20,000 with a 12% interest rate. So at the time, I didn't care. I used it, paid it back within 5 months, right? I always tell you, anytime you get these personal loans, try to have an exit so you can exit out and pay off that loan, right? So this year I went back and got approved for $35,500, right? Like you see right above, with a 9.2 interest rate, which is really good, right? Now that $35,000 just got paid off in October, right? Once I did that, went back and applied, maxed me out now at the $50,000 at 8.74%, right? Now, just to let you know, they only go up to $50,000, but they're growing with their personal loans. They said in the next 12 to 24 months, they're trying to get their personal loans up to $100,000. Again, I'm already in the phase of building this great relationship with them. And let's say just for you today, you could take that loan and pay off your credit cards down to zero, get a low interest rate, right? Pay 1 payment a month. You know, some people's having 2, 3, 4, 5 different credit cards with maybe altogether 15, 20,000. If you could get one loan right? You know that credit card today is high, 18%, 24%, 27.99%, 29.99%. You're gonna be saving a bunch of money because number one, now your interest rate is gonna go from high 20s now to like 10%, 9%, and even 8% as you build that relationship with them, right? You're gonna be saving money. Take that money, pay off your credit cards, drop your utilization down to zero. Now your score goes back up. Now you could be able to go out there and go to other banks and get other kinds of funds. This is an easy fix. You know, with Genius Banks, what makes them so good, if you have a 9-to-5 and you got pay stubs, they're gonna accept pay stubs. That's gonna be great. If you have a business side like I do, all I need to do is upload my bank statements on my business checking account and they will base my approval off of that. Showing you different ways that you could benefit to get yourself out of having that high credit utilization. You gotta figure it out because a lot of times I'm seeing emails, hey, I don't have a business side. I can't go get another credit card with 0 APR for the next 2 years. I don't have that. I just work a 9-to-5. This is what you could do. Again, fix that credit, shoot that score up to 700, go apply at Prosper, and that's how you're gonna get into Genius Bank. And once you get into Genius Bank, it's easy. Upload those pay stubs, get those approvals. For those that got a business side, upload your business checking account statements and go get that approval, build that relationship. Because now that I got approved for that 50,000, guess what my next step is? I'm waiting for them again in the next 12 to 24 months to increase those personal loans up to 100,000. Then I could come back and go get that big money for them. So again, I'm showing you different ways that you could do so you could get out the hole that you are. If you're on the business side, you already know I got plenty of videos showing you how to go apply for business credit cards. You keep all your debt on your business credit cards. Don't keep no debt on your personal side. This is why I always say fix your personal and start building your business, man. If you want to get in debt, lock in with me. Let's get on the call. Let me show you step by step what you need to do, man. But for now, I'm gonna get up out of here. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.